I am feeling very proud of being this Kathmandu Kaling Literature Festival. Really, just like Deepavali and Durga Puja, we feel a proud each year. I am also feeling same type of proud being here. I pay thanks to Ashish Mallaji. He had gone to my house to call me, invite me to participate in this program. And also another Nirala, Sister Nirala, she had also visited to invite me, and I accepted because this is actually a civilized society, and so I like it. So I automatically asked Ashish Malla, yes, I want to come to this literary festival. Already you have listened that I have got a role to be a justice and chief justice in Nepal. 8 years, 6 months I work as a judge and chief justice for maybe 1 year only. Then I was passing a routine life in my house. With my family, I was passing a very beautiful routine life day to day. Sometimes I was writing articles in Nepali language, sometimes also in English language. And I was especially against the corruption. My articles were actually on targeting to the corruption. And all of a sudden, I got again a third role, that is Prime Minister of Interim Government. Actually, by heart, I have not accepted this role because I had knowledge that Constitution had barred me to be in educative body to a judge. But already I think one of our Chief Justice, Khilraj Regmi, he has also played that role for 1 year only by the purpose of doing the election in country, here and free election in the country. And same role I was forced actually by some people. And they told me that if you would not do that, it would be a great loss for your country and for us. So I accepted that post, actually only to maintain the peace in country and also to regulate the fair and free election. 6 months I became, I was 70, now 73, 72 that time, and 73 now my age. It is an old age. And in that age, I had to be, again, just like I have to collect that power and strongness on my body, just like a young woman, to fight that position. Not, I want to say that it was successful, it became successful by only my side. There were a few friends. Actually, in that interim government, major ministers were from judiciary side. And actually, judiciary's people, they are very much strong, they faces the criticism maximum, and they are also regular, they do only lawful work. So it is also one of the position that we became successful to do the election on time, which people, political parties, and so many learned people of Nepal, जिसे हम विद्वान कहते हैं, they don't have believed that within 6 months there would be election. We did hard labor for that. This is one scenario of my life. Just like you hear women and male. Male is the son of the house. I am also a daughter of that house, my parents' house. I became a student of my teacher. Then I passed the master degree in political science, and then after I again did law in Nepal, graduation. Then I started lawyer because in my family, environment is that either people were engaged in legal job, in judicial or lawyer, or inside of police force. So automatically my senior fathers, my elder fathers, they were in lawyer. They were lawyers, so I did that one. I worked as a lawyer 31 years, regularly. And then after, this was also not my interest to come in judiciary, you know. What pressure made on me that there is no women in judiciary, so you have to come. I accepted that for gender equality, to maintain the gender equality of judiciary, I stepped on judiciary and I worked. And there also I had to do the hard labor, you know. Naturally, a person, a male judge can, where being automatic, if his time comes to be Chief Justice, then they were accepted. But I was pending for 4 months. Many political parties or government people were not believing that I can regulate judiciary. But it's my luck, I get that post. And already I had told you that how I came in interim government. And another part I want to show you that I am not far from literature, you know. I have very much interest. In 1980 to 2000, I was writing poem sometime, also stories. Many stories and poems were published. And also I have translated, just like I think so, Ashish Mallar's poem also translated in Hindi by me. And later on, I leave that part because I have no association with poets and writers. I had association with only lawyers, and I have to promote my legal aspect, so I leave that one. But after, in 1990, I wrote a novel, you know. Its name is Kara. It means confinement or jail. How I wrote? First of all, I want to tell even this thing that man's life is literature and literature is life. How a poet, how a writer knows how they create their articles and their novel and poem. Everybody knows from societies, families, their lifestyle, and all these things. You know, Good Earth writer, how she wrote she learned about China and the drought in China and the poverty in China and everything she saw, all these things she saw, and then after she wrote. Same thing I tell you, I want to tell you instead. I was arrested in 1919 movement, and 2 months I had to live in jail, women's cell. First of all, I was feeling that, although I was already lawyer, first of all, how can I stay though all those women who are charged of criminal or already court had declared them criminal, how can I stay there? But I stayed there. There were 40 women. I saw them, how they behave and how they were, and what was their story, who is actually really criminal. All these things I studied there. And I wrote that novel in jail, Kara. It means confinement or jail. I wrote that one. And after 27 years, When I retired from judge, then I published it. And next thing, my, my literary, affection. What happened when I was Prime Minister? In 5th June 2026, in my family, my husband seriously became sick. And he was taken to Delhi hospital. And I was there. And my daughter-in-law, she was delivering a child in London. I was in such a complexion, I had not time to think about my family member. Even I had no time to eat and sleep. In that situation, I had two problems. One was seriously sick, my husband, and lied in Delhi hospital. And next one is my daughter. She is delivering a child. And we were not helping there, and we are not gone there. Sometimes, if I think that subject that day, I used to feel agony, because in such a comment, I'm seriously diverted in a complicated job. My husband is critical in their hospital, and my daughter-in-law is there. And midnight, one of the assistants, Adarsh Shrestha, from Delhi, he gave me both news that your husband is all right, ma'am, and your grandchild is born. At midnight, maybe 12 or 1 o'clock, he gave me that news. I do not become pleased, first of all. Tears started to come from my eyes. I thought about the child, baby born boy. One thing, I must have to be happy, because one member is grown, my waris came. But next thing, I thought that, baby, you came in such a struggling world. What you will be and what your condition. When you would be growing situation in that condition, neither your grandfather is there, nor grandmother, and many will not be here. And you have to do hard labor. Because I was doing hard labor. I do not have to think about my personal things, I was even not allowed to bring my goods, my dresses from my house. That was my situation. And in that situation, I thought that, child, you came in this world, but this world is very much struggleful. And I also became happy. And naturally, I thought, how I grows my own son. Because he is very liking to listen the story at midnight, at night. He always asks me, tell me a story. Mama, you tell me a story. Why you are not telling a story? My stock of stories finished. But he is not satisfied. Then I started to imagine another stories of monkeys and birds and crows and everything. And I thought that I was alone in that house. So at night I started to write this story, which I have delivered to my son. And actually this would be the best prize, or it would be a good prize for my grandson. I started to write. Maybe outside they have put for sale. That is Mitty and Wild Cat. I wrote that one within 15 days in English language, and it is published by the help of Adarsh Shrestha and of my advisor. They tried, and we also released that book on Annaprasan. You from India, you know that Annaprasan Day, we released that book. So, finally I want to say that I was a lawyer for 31 years. I also did job in food corporation. 1.5 years I did that job. And also I work as a 31 years in a lawyer. I became Chief Justice, I became Prime Minister. Please don't make me out from this society, literature world. Still I have so many stories in my mind. Some novel already I have written. Some are half written and some are in my mind. Before going from this world, I want to publish those things. So, please, you also make me one of the members. Don't think that I am a prime minister only, and don't think that I am a lawyer only, and don't think I am a judge. I am also a literary lover, literature lover people. So thank you for calling me. Thank you for all, and enjoy your program. And I want to say you enjoy a beautiful country this is. So thank you giving me chance to be a chief guest on this program.